Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 1999, Fantasia 2000 was presented as a live concert event at London in the Royal Albert Hall. The film was shown behind the Philharmonia Orchestra, who played the musical selections. It was part of a 5-city film premiere and concert tour beginning at Carnegie Hall in New York City and continuing to London, Paris, Tokyo, and ending in Pasadena, California on New Year's Eve. Each of the 7 concerts cost over $1 million to produce, and they were 25 years ago. Did you ever see any of these? Did you see the movie? I did. I loved it. Anyway, have a magical day.